Here is the full explanation of how the services behind the internet work each time we open a web page or send a message. For everything to function, the network relies on services that identify devices, assign addresses, deliver content, and move information without us noticing. It all starts with DNS, the service that translates names like example.com into addresses computers can understand. Without it, we would need to memorize numbers instead of typing a name. Next comes DHCP, the system that automatically assigns an IP address to every device and tells it how to connect to the internet without manual setup. When we load a web page, HTTP and HTTPS take over. These protocols allow a server to send text, images, or videos to our browser, and the secure version keeps the communication encrypted. Email relies on different services. SMTP sends messages, and IMAP or POP3 allow us to receive them, either keeping everything in the cloud or downloading it to our device. If we need to transfer full files, services like FTP or SFTP step in, letting us move large amounts of data or manage a server remotely. We also use hosting services, which store websites, apps, and databases on servers designed to stay online all the time. In everyday life, we rely on messaging services that move chats and notifications in real time so communication feels instant. And more, we depend on cloud services that offer storage, document editing, or full applications from anywhere. All these services work together to make the internet feel simple, even though inside it is a massive network of coordinated systems. If you want to explore the topic further, you will find a link in the description leading to the blog with more details.